how to make a magic circle, magic ring, whatever you want to call it. I get asked for this a lot, so I'll try and break it down really slowly for you. So this is the simple magic circle, magic ring. There is one that's more complicated, but we'll do this one and it's a great starting point. So what you've got, your tail of your yarn in the palm of your hands. You're going to wrap this yarn around 2 fingers and you're going to crisscross at the top and bring it down the other side. Then you're going to take your crochet hook, you're going to go under the first loop, turn your hook around and pull the second loop through the first loop. Then this bit here, you'll see I twist my hook and come back to the center. That's because I'm now going to go and grab this piece of yarn at the back and I'm going to pull that through here if it lets me. There we go. So you have to do a bit of jiggling to get that through sometimes. So now we have this. So you can see that this piece is through the circle, so we can take that out. And now you're left with a circle that will pull tighter when you pull on your working yarn. So when you pull on your tail, I mean. So it pulls like that smaller. And that's great if you're working into a circle and making something round. You can pull so there's no hole in the middle. So when you do the magic circle, make sure when you're doing, say we'll do single crochet, I'll do 4. Make sure you're going over the tail as well and through the circle. So what you do is pop your hook through the middle of the circle, grab the yarn and pull it up, yarn over and go through 2. And then I've gone over both the circle and this. If you don't go over this, you can't cinch it in, so it doesn't work. Let's do a couple more and then we'll cinch it in. So I've gone, my hook's gone over there. I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2. So I'm going in the circle, grabbing that yarn, pulling up a loop, yarn over, go through 2. So there's 6 on here now. The circle's far too big, so we're going to cinch it in. So all you have to do is pull, and there we go. No hole in the middle. And then you can join both sides together with a slip stitch. Let me move that out of the way. So you just go through the top 2 loops of the first stitch and pull through to create that slip stitch. So there's the perfect magic circle. I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, let me know.